I was asked to film a little home video update on my previous video.
I'm the first teenager in the UK to get Bionic.
This is the hand when it is naked. I'm going to do a very edgy look that I've never tried before. I'm actually shocked. These are all the cases I have here. There is quite a lot of them. I love having all the colours. You can just match it with everything and it's just really fun. I think of them as a really cool fashion accessory. I'm gonna go for these red vortex ones here because they're brand new and I'm just really excited to wear them for the first time. Probably not many people have seen it like this, but this is the hand when it is naked. This is what it looks like before you put any of the cases on. It's a piece of fluff.
When I was 15 months old, I fell really ill. I got a really bad disease called meningitis septicaemia. I had to amputate my hands. And of course my family did worry about that, but for them, that was a really small price to pay for my life. Now I'm the first teenager in the UK to get Bionic.
So do you want to stand up and actually put your hands on that you're going to wear today?
So you put that part there and then you just push it in. I love this part with the vortex pattern. And you just clip it on like that and then your hand is ready to wear. Can you put that on properly?
Let's try that again.
A disability doesn't define you. Like if people tell me that I can't do something, then that kind of determines me to do it. Welcome to where I do my makeup. At the very beginning, I was so clumsy. It would take me absolutely ages to like just do an actual face of makeup. I always struggled with eyeliner. I have these tapes now, so this makes it really easier. I'm just gonna use some scissors to kind of cut off the buddy, right. Why isn't it sticking? That'll do. Just don't smile. At the moment, I'm very much staying in my comfort zone a lot, so I'm trying to edge away from that. I'm gonna do today a very edgy look that I've never tried before. It's really cool just being creative. I'm just gonna go in with some yellow now. I got powder in my eye. And we have a little green flick. Not bad, not bad. I love using that sellotape so much. It makes everything better. When I'm doing my makeup, I do use only one Bionic arm just because you may have seen me turn the wrist quite a lot. I find it a lot easier to just kind of move the wrist and move the brushes how I would like them. They need to be like very specifically in a certain place, as if I'm giving a thumbs up. The button turned blue because I froze it. And I'm just gonna dip into some glitter. Went a bit overboard with the glitter there. A lot of people think it would be like really, really hard to do your makeup with no hands. But I feel like once you've just grown up like that, it kind of just feels natural. My eyebrow looks quite wavy. It's not all quite complete yet because we haven't done the mascara yet. And we all know what happens when Tilly gets her Bionic arms on some mascara.
That's right, she poked me in the eye with mascara, so...
Ignore my faces, I'm pulling. That went really well. I'm actually shocked. Never been happier. Teeth come in very handy as well when you have no hands. Done and dusted. We've got a green, sharp, striking eyeshadow look with gold underneath, successful mascara, full brows and a nice natural pink lip to go with it. I love how this turned out. There are a couple of things I'm still practicing using my bionic arms. Of course, I'm still finding out new things I can do with them every day. My main goal is just to inspire as many people as possible. 100% I want to be a role model for young people and old people alike.